Alright, so there's the connection, and we'll go all the way down. You can see the new pump that's down there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And just for the record, let me.
Yep. Want me to hold this?
Well, no, we have to put some water in it to do that. I got to go out and turn it on.
Oh,
I got a shut off in here.
Okay.
Now outside, you're probably going to want to look at the other end of this where water comes out.
Sure.
So.
Well, we can see the box over here too of the new pump.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So as long as I don't drop my. Alright. All right, Lawrence, we're good.